Hello, boys and girls. Welcome, back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, February the 7th, 2023. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So, two puzzles are left. The Czechoslovakia with 4 stars. You are not interested in that one? But this one, yes, the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 5923. And before I start, I always count and print the digits. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15. Yeah. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. And double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. And now, yeah. Now you need to think. Now you need to think, yeah. Well. Think hard. Only 1 completed column, 2 completed rows. Whoa. Yeah. Alright. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this last column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. It should be no. Yeah. Yeah. Still have 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between the O's comes in 1. Alright. Then. No. 3 O's. Oh, yeah. 3 O's. 1, 2, 3. Well. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, there no. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 4. 1, 2, 3, yeah. Well, I need to think. 3, no. Time for comparing. 10, 10. Do we have a 10, 10 here? Nope. Double 1 here. Nope. Yeah. Well, I need to compare the columns then. O, double O here. This column and that column. 0011 empty box. Empty box 1 1. We need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Okay. 3 3. Well, well. Ah, ah, ah. The last column and the same column here. 1 empty box 00. We need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Number 1, here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box should be an O. Between 2 O's comes a 1. We need to compare again. Yeah, this column and that column. 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box 0 Need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 1. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes a 1. Between 2 O's comes a 1. 1 2 3 4. Completed in 7 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.